This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with the bobbin because lower tension must be stable before upper threading. Load the correct industrial bobbin into the winder, place thread on the spool cap, and guide it through the tension disc. This controls feed consistency. Once wound, insert the bobbin into the case with the thread tail under the spring so it pops up slightly. Make sure to seat the case fully. An incorrectly seated bobbin causes looping. Keep motions deliberate to maintain even tension and avoid tangles. You now route the upper thread. Pass it through the primary guide, down through the tension assembly so the discs close properly, then up into the T-cup lever. This section regulates stitch formation by releasing and catching thread. Next, lead it through the needle bar guide and the small hook or eye near the needle. Once done, thread the needle from front to back unless your machine specifies otherwise, leaving a 2 to 3 inch tail to start sewing without slipping out. Make sure tension responds when you pull the thread. You finish by pulling both bobbin and upper thread under the presser foot toward the back and lowering the presser foot to set fabric pressure. This aligns tension elements. Hand turn the hand wheel 1 full rotation to ensure the needle picks up the bobbin thread. This creates the first lock stitch. Once satisfied, stitch slowly on scrap to confirm stitch quality. If loops appear on the underside, slightly tighten upper tension. If thread breaks, check threading path and replace dull needles. That single tip fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.